Yo, what's going on, guys? Hopefully that was not too loud. I did get another damn microphone. I know I told you guys I got one about a week ago. That thing was wonky, clunky. I had to get the slimmed down version of it. So hopefully this thing's okay. I'm not screaming in anybody's ears, waking up your children, your kids, your neighbors, whoever. I got to get a better setup here. I'm going to throw my ugly mug down in the corner there. I want to start doing that. Just because I don't like not having my face on there. I didn't intentionally mean to do that. It's just my setup is so wonky here. At my office I have plenty of room, but here at night I ain't got nothing. I got microphone cats, I got iPads, tablets, I got a cat at my legs right now. It's just all goofed up. So anyway, we'll get back to that later. Let me know what you guys think of that idea. Throw my damn mugshot in the bottom corner there, me moving around. Maybe throw a cat or two on the video as well. Anyway, kind of a weird week. I felt like we got a little bit more beat up than we did, but we really didn't. I think we're down about 3% on the week. 3% today, didn't do much today. Friday, low volume. Let's hop right into the son of a gun. We'll touch on a few things here this evening. But boy, we did it. Reverse repo. This whole market, guys, the more I think about this, the SEC got Maxine Waters, all of this rulings and blah, blah, blahs, the market, over leverage. We know all of this. This thing's going to blow. I mean, Jesus, Murphy. Some of these things, I watch Charlie's vids. He puts together those great DD pieces. He's uploading all these videos all day. But gosh, he put the chart up just visually looking at it. He compared '08 to now, and all the numbers are like, it looks so crazy on paper to see his PowerPoints and his graphs he put up. But boy, I mean, hello Christmas. It's just a matter of time. So we did it. $1 trillion today reported on the old reverse repo. Jesus, Murphy. Let's touch on the damn dark pool. Does it really matter anymore? We know we're going to be at 60, 65, 70%. Today, small volume again on Friday, 45.3 million shares in regular trading hours. 64% dark volume today. Over the past 20 days, we remained at that 64%. Total dark pool volume, 28.9 million out of 45.3 million shares. Another good piece of news here, Jackson Hunter with the tweet. Thanks, Jackson. 11 out of the 11 bills passed the committee. And old Jackson there fired out a thank you to Maxine over there, Maxine Waters. Anyway, some of those ones, you can click on the link here. These are the ones, some pretty important ones in here. Remember, this is just step one in getting these things passed. We got a long way to go, but still, there's some important ones in here. Short Sale Transparency and Market Fairness Act, SEC 1934 to prohibit trading ahead of by markets, Family Office Regulation, Promoting New and Diverse Depository Act, Order Flow Improvement, yeah, hello. Trading Isn't a Game, look at that one, that's outstanding, right? Small Business Mergers, Financial brand new in 2021, Act of 2021. So outstanding. We made it past step one. So that's good. Outstanding. I want to touch a little bit on this Adam Aaron tweet. I noticed this morning, obviously Adam did this morning. A lot of people may be disappointed, but I don't know where that disappointment's coming from. But anyway, so much fun. I read through this three times just to get it. Probably a lawyer told him what to say, what not to say, or the lawyer did it himself, whatever. But obviously he's not going to just come out here and start bashing and throwing accusations out there. The wording in this I really like once you really think about it and read through it. But so much FUD going around on the internet. Look, Adam uses FUD. That's just so outstanding. So much FUD going around the internet like our shareholder meeting was closed doors or a secret. Simply wrong. It was open to any shareholder, and all the present were invited to speak on ballot issues and ask questions. An election result have been published publicly, which we seen this morning. For those who are unable to attend, oh, that's not that part of it. This one up here. Many of you continue to be concerned about the AMC share count. In early June, we announced all-inclusive shares count totaling was 513 million legally issued shares. Right there, legally issued shares. Precisely 0 new shares have been issued by AMC since then. As its existence of so-called fake or synthetic shares or naked short selling of AMC shares, we are unaware of any information validating these theories. Also, we are unable to make any comment on the considerable trading of puts calls. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I like that. I do. It is what it is, right? Oh yeah. Then they put an article. Look at this. That was outstanding this morning too. They had to throw in AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aron slams spreaders of FUD. That's outstanding. They threw it in an article. Good job, Double A. There he is right there, holding the number 1 up. Atta boy. Atta baby. Look at this old turd here. Okay, let's just take a look at this. I clicked on it. I'm like, okay, let's see what the hell this is. Why a massive wave of bankruptcies could be just around the corner, right? Getting you to read, maybe taking the apes to read it. Bankruptcies? What? Did you say bankruptcies? Maybe a hedge fund? Blah, blah, blah. So let's touch on this son of a gun. The U.S. economy is steadily recovering from the pandemic, and more than $6 trillion in government stimulus appears to prevent a worst-case economic catastrophe. The S&P 500 has nearly doubled from its pandemic lows last March. However, Stansberry research editor Mike DiBiase recently wrote the massive amount of corporate debt that companies accumulated in the past year and a half is setting up a tidal wave of bankruptcies that could devastate the new wave of investors. Oh, we're kind of turning the table here. Have piled into the market since the beginning of the pandemic. Now, look at here. DiBiase said one of the most absurd stories of 2021 is what has happened to AMC Entertainment. The movie theater business has been declining for years, and the pandemic triggering a 91% drop in AMC sales in 2020. AMC burned through nearly all of its cash and was admittedly just weeks away from bankruptcy. Oh, Christ. Stock was trading under $2 at the beginning of January until retail meme stock traders piled into the name, pushing AMC's market cap at one point to $36 billion, more than 4.5 times higher than it ever been prior to this year. So I found this kind of crazy. You know, I think they're kind of maybe changing their game up here. Like, let's just say somebody with half of our knowledge, you know, that knows what's going on. AMC's being shorted, meme stocks, blah, blah, blah. You click on this, and maybe they're getting you to click on this because, oh, you're seeing, oh, bankruptcy, a hedge fund, and then they just suck you right in here to saying, hey, the Looney Tunes and AMC and blah, blah, blah. It's the normal old fudderoo. So, yeah, go screw yourself, bud. Okay, on to the next. Oh, look at this here. Sound familiar in this article? Ethics complaints accuse 3 Republican lawmakers of violating a federal stock disclosure law. One quick thing in here caught me. A watchdog organization is accusing 3 congressional Republicans of violating a federal transparency law by failing to properly disclose millions of dollars worth of stocks. Okay? Properly disclose millions of dollars in stocks. Illegally delayed by weeks or months their numerous stock trades. Huh. Sound familiar, guys? When members of Congress trade individual stocks and fail to disclose these trades, they break the law. Huh. Well, kind of seems to be everywhere, doesn't it, boys and girls? Jesus, Murphy. This is very cool. I meant to pull up on the damn AMC investor site. But anyway, for the first time ever, AMC platform announced for actual individual shareholders to propose questions in the webcast instead of management responding solely to the questions. So that's pretty damn cool. Remember, it is on after, is it after market hours? Yeah, at market closes, not this Monday, but the following Monday, AMC earnings. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. I haven't looked into it much yet. If you submit a question, they're going to randomly pick them or whatever, but that's pretty damn cool. I'm sure we'll get some great questions for that. So that's outstanding, you guys. Remember this. Remember this was up here. I don't know if I went over this. I remember it's been everywhere, but long story short, somebody figured it out. What it was is these puts located in Brazil. This was that was the screenshot was out of a Bloomberg terminal, right? But long story short, if you have not seen this, they were puts that were, you know, you heard the whole thing about passing the hot potato around and blah, 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 blah. This guy seemed to have figured it all out. All right. So obviously I'm not going to go into it, but if you have not seen this, obviously read through it. A lot of it's GME related. It doesn't matter. All these stocks are basically the same to me. Any DD about GME is good DD for us, good DD for everyone, right? So I'll pop this in there. This was pretty crazy, really. And that's it, you guys. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully this damn microphone worked. Let's get some rest, regroup, and then we're starting out in August. August 3rd, is that? No, August 2nd is first day of market. So that's it, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.